Okay, hi David. I thought I'd make this video using my computer audio to make sure that you get computer audio. I just opened this front elevation and I'm going to go over here to print image on this elevation. And I'm going to go landscape and printing it directly from the camera view. I'm going to click here on the settings and see if I can. No, I don't want that. I don't want to print it to paper. I want to print it to, I don't see it. Let's use this PDF printer and check the settings. Image resolution, we'll set it up higher. And I'm gonna, call it Flavel front elevation. And there's a PDF of it. Now this is not scaled. If you want scale printing, then you need to use the layout file. But there's that. I just thought I'd go through this a few times. Now here I've shown the sheet, show sheet right there. And this is set up for file, print, drawing sheet setup. The scale that it's going to print at is 1/4 inch scale. And the printing paper size is 18 by 24. It won't print at proper scale on any other size paper except this size. So now I'm going to go File, Print, and I'll select not a paper printer, but a PDF printer. And this Cheap Architect Save as PDF, high resolution. Probably don't need it for plan views, but that's okay. Save as PDF. This will be Flavel dash plan view. PDF, save. And there's the PDF. Okay, now I'm going to close that. You can see I made the dimensions larger during our last session. Now I'm going to see, this is left elevation. Again, I've got a drawing sheet here. I'm going to click on it and line it up on the building a little bit better. See, I clicked on the edge of it. That gives me a move handle in the middle. If I want it larger than 1/4 inch scale, then I go back to the drawing sheet, and increase or decrease the scale. I'm going to go File, Print image. Again, we're going to print this to PDF. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm going to cancel out of that and add some text. Click on Text Tools and that, and we'll just add left elevation. And make this a little bit larger. Make it bold. There we go. Now we'll print it. And let's see. Oh, okay. Wrong printer. 18 by 24. That's fine. And that shows you what you're going to get. Click Save as PDF. Now this is label dash left elevation. And we're going to close this. I'm going to copy that. Oh, that's the PDF. I'm going to copy that text and close this view. Yeah, we can save that. And go over here, do a rear elevation. Oh, I don't want the terrain plane truncated like that, so I need to make sure that my camera viewpoint is on the outside of the terrain plane. That looks better. I'm going to go here, edit, paste, put the text there, and we'll change it to rear elevation, the text. File, print image to PDF. Again, you have to be careful, make sure that the printer of choice is picked out. I want that one. I want 18 by 24. I want them all the same size, that's all. That looks kind of small. What's wrong here? Why does it look so small? It's not changing the printer, it's not making a difference. Well, I wanted to get it larger than that. Let me zoom in. How about, now we try that. Print. See if there's a current screen setting. Current view. There we go. That's a little bit larger. And we want it 1/4 inch scale. Okay, on 24, but I got it. That's all. So all these settings matter in terms of the outcome. And this is the rear playable dash rear. Let's split the page. Okay. So I'm going to save that. Yeah, we'll save that. Now in plan view, you can also, well, I think you can in Pro. Call this left elevation. And plan display. No, you can't change it in plan display. So what I did is I created, I think, an icon. Or maybe I did that in Chief. Anyway. Okay. That's about it. And I'm going to send you a link to this video as a supplemental to in case the other one doesn't work properly. Thank you. And that's it for today.